Hi guys, welcome to video 2 of our season pass adventure. Today we're going to do the Hastings Castle. Now that's the way I would like to have gone up, but we're not going to be so lucky. So we're going for a little walk through Old Town, up the hill. Let's get some exercise. Here we go. Okay guys, so the way to do it on foot is we go through the Old Town and then we're going up past the old pump house, up, 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 up. Enjoy the walk. At least it's not as bad as climb up the East Hill. It's a little bit out of breath. But yeah, nice little breaks in between, lovely scenery around here. We will come back one day and just do a full video on the Old Town, all the little quirky shops. But for now, I'm going to save my breath and carry on going uphill. There we go guys, that's the hard little bit of the climb done. It's a bit of hill now, we're just heading over there. That little green building there is where we would have come out nice and relaxed if we took the train, but hey, where's the fun in that? So let's head over there and go have a look at the castle. Well guys, as you can see, it's still misty, but it's getting warm. So this is where we would have come out of if we took the lift, but no such luck. So now there's two ways into the castle. You can go that way, which is the nice, easy, calm way. This is the way we always go because little Max loves his little adventure. So let me show you now. So there she is, Hastings Castle. Not quite at her former glory, but then again this castle has had a hard life. Between invasions, family feuds, kings knocking it down because of religion, and even World War II bombs. I'm actually surprised there's any of it left. But let's go down these little paths now, go in and have a little look at what we can see. So there we go. As I said before, if you need easy access, that road there, nice, smooth. Also got the history of the castle as you walk up. If you've got a little 2-year-old who thinks that dragons live in the woods, it's the way you'll have to bring them. Okay, up we go. See you inside the castle. Well, there we go, guys. This is the old castle. We've got lucky. I think we're the only people here, so we can have a nice little look around. As I said before, it's a shell of what it used to be, but it's all original. Well, original to the different time periods. The whole history I'll drop down in the description below, because if any of you know me, I love to get my dates mixed up. But it is. This is quite a nice little place. Now, we brought Max up on the weekend. He loved it. We actually nearly got locked in, because we were so busy looking for dragons that we didn't notice the time. And this place closes at 4, and about 5 to 4, suddenly the wife was like, the front door's closed. But obviously they let us out. But yeah, he's looked in every nook and every cranny to find his little dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, dragons even. Unfortunately, due to the fog, the view's really not that good from up here, but usually you could see right across there, down to the pier and beyond. We're up here on the weekend. I'll see if we got a photo. If we do, I'll pop that up in the corner to show you the type of view we could see. But it is lovely. Such a relaxing afternoon up here. Little Max running around, us sitting on a bench, living the dream. And this little dark cave here, this is actually where Max decided the dragons live. And today it's a lot brighter than it was because I'm looking at it through a camera. But as you guys know, I ain't a big fan of the dark, so every time Max sent me in here was my favourite time of day. Plus there's a, shall we say, aroma. It's crazy when we look down here that the castle is right at the edge of the cliffs. As actually, when it was first built, those cliffs went right out past where that road is there. There used to be a whole other building on here. But over time and storms, they've washed away. So guys, I hope you're enjoying the walk around so far. A couple of times a day, this building here turns into a mini cinema where you get to get all the history of this lovely castle. So I recommend you pop in and have a look. It's free once you've paid your entry, so let's have a look ourselves. So guys, I won't actually be filming this because I don't think it's fair, you know, pay your entry if you want to see the film, but I'll give it a watch and I'll let you know what it's like afterwards. Cool, the sun feels a bit brighter when you walk out of that dark room. I'll tell you what guys, if you've got the time and you're here, I really recommend that. I actually learned some things. So yeah, it's got a really interesting history, this castle. So guys, let's just go for a walk around now, see the other half of the castle, and then off we go. The steps. Too many steps today. Well, there we go guys. I think no better place to end our little tour of the castle than on the mound where William the Conqueror built his first castle in 1066 out of wood. Many upgrades over the years. Shame about the weather, it would have been lovely to show you the views, but trust me, they're worth them. So, until next time guys, have a great one. Bye.